Are you ready to master CapCut in minutes? Whether you're a beginner or an expert, we've got you covered. This is part of our library of quick CapCut tutorials for easy editing solutions. And now I'll show you how to add blur to the video sides in CapCut. So if we add any media to CapCut and we change the aspect ratio, so let's say we want to do 9:16 for, let's say, a TikTok, the top and bottom of this media will be black. Now you can stretch out the image to go full size like that. However, if you don't want to do that, you can come up to video here on the right hand side, basic, and then come all the way down to the bottom to canvas. Open up this menu, and here you want to select blur from the drop down. Then you have an option of a few different blur effects to add to the background. So that's how to add blur video sides in CapCut. You've experienced a quick CapCut tutorial, but the journey doesn't end there. Dive deeper into the world of CapCut with our dedicated playlist of tutorials designed to make your editing experience smoother and more efficient. Learn everything from basic edits to advanced techniques that will take your videos to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below or on screen now to start watching. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful content.